I'm going to show you how to set up your classes on Microsoft Teams. Let's say, and also to add a link on Schoology so that the students can find it right away. Okay, so let's say that you log into epistSchoology.com. Okay, let me sign out because I was logged in as a student. Try it again, epistSchoology.com. Okay, so let me log in as a teacher. Okay, my password's there. And this is what it looks like. I have 3B, which is my homeroom, and then 3A. Okay, sorry. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to have it ready so I can add the link. So let me see. You're going to click another tab. You're going to type in Microsoft Teams login. And this is going to pop up. You're going to click on here. And it should take you directly to this page. Okay, so now this right here, you're going to select, edit, copy. Okay, so now let's go back to your homeroom. Okay, let's say that you want to add a folder. Well, let me show you a sample course. This mine has a lot of stuff. Let me see. This one. Okay, this one's my sample course. So let's say you want to add the Schoology link. So I'm going to put here add material. I mean, not Schoology, Microsoft. So I'm going to put here Microsoft Teams video conferencing login. And here I'm going to select here insert content. And you're going to click on link. You're going to file, edit, paste. And you can put here Microsoft and I'm going to put here link. So here's you're going to rename the link. Okay, insert, publish it, make sure it's published, and create. This is where the students are going to log in. All they have to do is click here. So let me exit from here so you can see that it takes them there. So you click here, and it should take them to here. They're going to click on sign in, and it's going to log me in as a teacher already, or as a student. Let me see. Yeah, it logged me in as a teacher. If you don't log in, you have to log in with your username and password for EPISD. Make sure that you put at episd.org. I already created my class, but let's say that I want to add or create another class. Let me go back to Teams. Let's say that you haven't created a class, so you're going to click on join or create team. Okay, so all of these are already here, but this is not yours. So you're going to create a team, and let's say class. Okay, so I'm gonna do one with I'm gonna put here 3rd grade teachers, and I'm doing an example of how you can name your class. Since I already have my own class, I'm not gonna redo one. I'm going to put 3rd grade teachers. I'm gonna put here PLC. You can put here, for example, 3A math or 3B math. You can name your class. Okay, so it's gonna take a while. Okay, here, this is a very time-consuming part. Okay, so on this one, let's say that you're going to add a student. And this is where you need their AR logins. You don't need the passwords, but you need to know their logins. So I'm going to add a student. Well, I'm going to add a student, okay? let's say, okay, so here, if I don't type in the number at the end, I have all of these options, but I'm going to type in, no, see how it takes you directly to the student. So you're going to add the student. Okay, then you do the next one. This one's easy because there's no other students that are named like that. So let me show you another one. Whoa, look at all of these. Okay, to make sure that you have the right person, you're going to type in the 4 numbers or 5 numbers at the end, and it takes you to the student. Okay, you can also add a co-teacher. So let's say that I want to add all of the 3rd grade teachers. So I'm going to put here, okay, for Miss Sanchez, and I have all of these. I make it's Iris Sanchez. Let's put Estella. Okay, I know that her name's Elizabeth. Heredia. And I'm going to click on hers. Okay, just for the sake of this, I'm going to erase the students so that you can see what it's going to look like. Okay, so now I have just the teachers, okay? But I already showed you how to add the students. Okay, well, never mind. I have to add them on the teacher section, so let's do Estella, Heredia, Sanchez, and I'm going to add Miss Cortez. Okay, so I added the teachers. You're going to click on add. It shows you the names, and it's going to show you the same way the names of the students. Close. And do you see how it says here 3rd grade teachers? Okay, so here is where you're going to create your video conferencing. You're going to go to calendar. This is for your class, okay? You're going to click on new meeting. Okay, so here you're going to say, for example, Monday's meetings. Here, again, it's a very time-consuming part, okay? To make sure that the students are the only ones logging in and nobody else logs in, you have to type in everybody that's going to attend. So for me on this one, I'm going to put the teachers that I put, okay? Estella and Sanchez and Cortez. Okay. And here's you're going to type in the names of the students, every single one, okay? After this, I'm going to put my video conference on April 13th. For 3rd grade, it starts at 10:30 to 11. Okay, don't click on all day. I'm going to put here, yes, it's going to repeat weekly. Okay, kind of the same thing as a Zoom. Okay, I'm not going to do anything here, and I'm going to press send. Okay, so I'm going to check next week's. And here I doubled up because I have already scheduled one with my students. Okay, so I'm going to delete it. Let me see, cancel meeting, cancel series. Let me show you. Let's say that I want to schedule one for, well, not for Friday. Let's say Tuesday of next week. So you can see what it looks like. I put here 3rd grade meeting. Okay, so let's say Thursday the 14th, and I'm gonna do it at 10 from 10 to 11. I'm going to put here repeat weekly. Send. So you can see what it looks like. Okay. See how I have it here? Third grade meeting. So the teachers, when they log in, that's where they're going to find the meeting. Okay. And I put it weekly. So every Tuesday, I'm going to have a meeting. Okay. Now, same thing as you did on Zoom. Let me delete this one because I don't need it. Cancel series. Okay. You're going to do the same thing for a different day. So you're going to schedule a new meeting. Third grade teachers. Okay. Add the teachers. Well, in your case, the students. Okay. You're going to put the date. So not on Tuesday, let's say Friday. Same thing. You're going to schedule it the same way. Repeat weekly, and you just press send. That's how you're going to be scheduling your video conferences. For third grade, I know that we're doing one on Monday, on a Wednesday, and on Thursday. So you have to schedule one for Monday. Do all these steps. Make sure you put it here weekly, right? Then you click send. And then you do the one for Wednesday. Same thing. You type in the students' names. You change this information and send. And then you do Thursdays again. You're going to do the same thing. So, you see, discard. So again, just to remember, you're going to go to calendar. So first you start off here. You're on your class. Make sure that this is your class. Click on calendar and click on your meeting. That is how you create your meetings and schedule your meetings for the rest of the week. Okay?